Welcome to Trading Lounge, and this is just a little quick update. I won't be coming back to work until Tuesday. Well, I will be doing work on Monday, getting all the charts and that ready again. But I just felt that it was important to put this update out for the indices. So I'm going to have a quick look at the S&P, the DAX, and the Australian market. Okay, so with the S&P 500 here. Well, I should really start with the DAX, really, because it makes a better case. So if I just bring the DAX across here for a moment, with the DAX, we're looking at this as wave 3 here with an A wave, an A, B, C here for the B wave, and down for the C wave. So with the US markets, this move up here has taken this top out, as you know. But with the DAX here, we can't end on this note down here. I can't put wave 4 over here on this particular low, nor can I put wave 4 over here and start counting this up as an impulse wave. It just doesn't fit. It just doesn't work. So we were looking at it as a triangle pattern, but the move up here on the S&P was a little bit strong. So it does appear that whatever indices that you're tracking at the moment, then we should be looking at partly based on this. It's just that I'm using this because it's quite clear that this move down here is not in 5 waves to finish this off. Okay, so we need to look at it as an A wave, an ABC for the B wave, and then down for the C wave. So we're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down here in the DAX. So we'll have a closer look at this on the S&P, but basically any break of a new low there would create a short. So the same thing over here as well. So what we can do here is, well, we could probably get much closer than this. We could probably just go in there, but we'll have a look at this little move up here. Let's just check it out on the, so in a nutshell, this wave 4 should drop below wave A over here. Now I know that's a bit of a long way. It's a long way down. It's a bit of a long shot. So one of the things that we can look at along the way is that this move down here is definitely in 5 waves. So if we get this move down through here, for example, then if that was the case, then that would only be 3 waves down, wouldn't it? So let's just say that breaks straight from here and breaks down through here. Then any move above the top here then would create a long trade. So an A and a B and a C wave here, and then further up at that point. But based on the bigger picture here, it does appear that this move can take us all the way down through here. So a bit of a bull trap up here as an expanded flat, if you like, and then it'll be a bit of a bear trap down here. So young players will be trapped within this space here. But the reason I'm putting this out for is that we should be looking at a at a nice move down here. So we'll offer a nice sort of short trade. So you'll also need to take this through to the stocks as well. So just taking that trend up here, and this is on 5 ticks here. So this trend up here counts quite nicely as 5 waves finished here. But what's more importantly, like I say, this is 5 ticks, so it's pretty small. So we do have 5 waves moving down through here with this at the moment. So that means that we can label this as wave 1 here. And normally we'd look for a 50-60% retracement level within this space. So it's okay. It's moved up into the 50 and the 61.8% range. And then secondly here, we've also got a nice drop here. So we can't count, we can't include this in the space to go up here further because it's gone below here. So that short trade that I was just looking at just at a moment ago, this is why I wanted to put it out at the moment, because it's Sunday here in Australia and the futures market will be opening at midnight, I guess, in my time, somewhere around there. I don't know how that relates to the rest of the world in a sense, but we've also got like a little 5 waves here. So we should see some sort of effort to climb here and then down again at that point, which would leave a nice entry on the short trade coming in through this space here. And if that does pop up there, well, then you can use that low there. Yeah, the reason I'm sort of saying this for, just in case you've got long trades still in the market here, and I just feel that you need to be careful at this point in time. So the DAX will be the same, the Australian market will be the same as well. Let me get to that. I've just got a few different bit more of arrangements here, so I'm just going to go to the 4-hour chart here somewhere. Where are we? On the wrong side here. So yeah, also much the same here as well. I've placed it in a triangle pattern here, but that's not correct. So we need, this will be under pressure from the other market. So let me just go into the 2-hour chart here. Doesn't really, anyway, we've got to call that a wave B up here, and this is 5 waves coming down through here. There might be some sort of effort to rally here, but we'll be looking for further downside at that point. So short trades can go under this low at this point here, just in case there is a little bit of a retest within all of that. Let me just see if I've updated the hourly chart. I've only just started doing some work on this here, so this is this is the count. So we're looking at this as a wave B up here, not the triangle as wave D, possibly. But we do have an impulse wave down here, so that means that after a correction, then we're going to see further downside. So as I mentioned, we're looking for short trades there. If it does pop up here, just for example, if it does try to retest the 7.5 here, which is very logical for it to do that, then you'll have this low here to, that previous low to work on. But just give it a little bit of time, just see if it rallies first on that. And if it does rally, then you can use that low. You might be able to find a better way into, even closer still for that, but I'm just giving you the shell of the pathway for this. So yeah, that's it in a nutshell. So just wanted to put this video out so long traders in the indices don't get trapped within all of this. So for the S&P here, and also for the DAX here. And the DAX has got a pretty clear indication that, I just can't finish it off on that move. And at the same time, I can't count that up as 1 and 2 and 3 here and 4 back here, because we overlap here, of course. And I can't label it this way either. So yeah, I think this is the right move here. So I'm just really putting out a warning sign, that's all. Okay, that said, good luck with that, and we'll be working on charts and getting my head back into it on Monday. And I think Monday in Australia is a public holiday anyway, but I don't know what it is for the rest of the world. So I'll see you on Tuesday. Alrighty, thanks, cheers.